This house and yard used to be beautifully maintained by the owner, but unfortunately, after he passed away, the place was left completely untouched for a whole year. When his widow reached out and told us about the situation, we didn't hesitate. We came straight here to clean it up and bring it back to life, but this isn't a one-day job. We'll be here for several days because the overgrown grass has taken over almost everything. To see the full transformation and follow our journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Without wasting any time, we got straight to work. Our goal is to bring a smile back to this woman's face as quickly as possible and to give her that comforting feeling as if her husband were still alive. The house was so overgrown with grass that at first we didn't even know where to start. We finally decided to begin with the front yard, since this property actually has 2 yards. To get started on this project, the first thing we need to do is clear out all this overgrown grass. It's gotten way too long, so we're jumping right in with the brush cutter to clean up the area. This is going to make a huge difference and give us a clean slate to work with. Cutting the grass turned out to be a lot tougher than we expected. The area is packed with hidden stones and rocks, which is making the job really difficult. They keep hitting the brush cutter and constantly snapping our trimmer lines. It's slowing us down, but we're pushing through to get this place cleaned up. Luckily, we were prepared for this. We had some spare trimmer lines with us, so we managed to change them out quickly and get right back to work. Having these extras definitely saved the day. The deeper we got into cutting the grass, the worse it became. The trash just felt endless. It seemed like the more grass we cleared away, the more hidden garbage and waste kept popping up from underneath. It's crazy how much stuff was buried here. We decided to pile all the trash right outside the house for a reason. Once the entire cleanup process is done, it's going to be much easier for us to load everything onto the truck and haul it straight to the landfill. Efficiency is key when dealing with this much waste. This is actually the third time we are cutting the grass in this area. Because it was so thick and packed with heavy trash, it was absolutely impossible to get a clean finish with just a single pass. We had to take it layer by layer to do it right. After 7 hours of hard work, we only managed to finish this one section. This house requires so much labor that, as we mentioned at the very beginning, it's going to take us several days of continuous work here. Because of that, today we are only going to show you the final version of this specific area that we managed to fix up. After 24 hours, this is the final transformation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and leave a comment. See you in the next video. We still have a lot of work to do at this house.